Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. So now we've finished the journal, I'm going to give you a flip through. If you've been following along, I hope you've made yours and you're as pleased with it as I am with this one. So let's get started. I love all these arty pages, they're going to be so inspirational for me when I'm journaling, painting. I've added some postcards and different ephemera in the journal. This one's Picasso, of course, and Weeping Woman, she slips into there quite nicely. Tracing paper, graph paper, little poems, beautiful pictures, graph paper, some more of Picasso, and this beautiful portrait looks so lovely against the old book page there. I've got lots of drawing paper. I've added washi tape to various places. That dotty one I thought went well, very well there. Some poems. A real eclectic feel to the journal with so many different styles, colours. I've added squares of paper like this. These are pieces of wallpaper. I thought they had beautiful colours and designs on them. Just ready for doing some artwork. This is Helen Colesbrook's pad with all the creative designs on them. Helen has her YouTube channel and Instagram, Journal with Purpose. These are my art pages. I've just again added some more designs. This was one of mine from college and I've just cut that up to slip in there. They take a little time to make these journals, but they are really worthwhile because you've got so much space and inspiration. These are again all wallpaper pieces that I've just popped in that folio. So this is going to give me hours of pleasure. That's just a little flip over that one. I put some postcards in there. This is canvas paper, so I can do some watercolours on there. Different colour papers. Another flip up there. This is one of the collage pieces that I've made just for the book. Pockets there, and I've got various pieces ready for use. There's a different style on every page. I love this one. And a lovely poem there from my friendship book. Another one from Helen there. From various magazines. I've added the blue washi there to complement that page. That was one of the pages that I've stuck together to make them larger. Some more washi tape. And the blue again. And tracing paper. I'd already used that one, but I rather liked that image, so I've put that one in. And more postcard. This is one of Oxford. I like the image on the front there. I thought that went well together. Some more poetry. And this one I've made two belly bands, and so they cross over, so that I put these pieces of paper in. I thought that looks rather effective there. And I love this folio. I've got more wallpaper in there. Another pocket with extra papers. So I should come back in a year or so's time and show you what I've filled it with, how I've decorated the pages. That would be fun. And then I added that lace on the back. I thought that was rather nice, along with a fabric cover. So I hope you enjoyed looking through that. And if you haven't seen the other parts, join along with them and make your own. It does take a little bit of effort, but I know you'd be pleased with it. Well, that's it for this series, so I'll be back doing some more crafting with fabric and paper. Join me again. Bye for now, everyone.